Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reconnect your Philips Hue Bridge to a new Wi-Fi network. If you've recently changed your router or Wi-Fi name, this guide will help you get your smart lights back online. First, make sure your new Wi-Fi network is up and running and your phone is connected to it. Also, keep an Ethernet cable handy for setup. Next, unplug your Hue Bridge from power and your old router. Then, plug it into your new router using the Ethernet cable. Wait for the 3 indicator lights on the Hue Bridge to turn solid. That means it's connected. Now, open the Philips Hue app on your phone. Tap Settings, then choose Hue Bridges. Select your bridge from the list, and if it doesn't appear, tap Search to find it manually. Once the bridge is found, tap Connect. If you're prompted to press the center button on the Hue Bridge, go ahead and do that to confirm the pairing. After it's linked, go back to the main screen and check if your lights are showing as connected. If they're missing, try tapping the Add Lights option to refresh your setup. And that's it. Your Hue Bridge is now reconnected to your new Wi-Fi network. Your smart lights should be back online and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.